Welcome to Wondertales. Imagine a day, under the sun's warm embrace, a young girl named Mia crafts not just a sandcastle but a monument of magic, one that defies the tides. A castle crafted not of mere sand and shells but of enchantment, standing firm against the ocean's relentless dance. Astonished, Mia finds her creation speaking, whispering tales of the ocean, of every grain of sand and shell, and a plea for help. A call to arms to protect the beach, the ocean, the stories they hold. Together, Mia and her companions answer the call. They learn, they grow, they safeguard their beach, understanding the immense power of small actions. As the sun bids farewell, their sandcastle, a beacon of hope, thanks them, reminding them that every beach, every ocean needs a hero. Because protecting our beaches is more than just an act, it's a responsibility. Every action, every effort truly counts. Under the dimming twilight, Mia lays her hand on the castle's cool, sandy walls, whispering a promise. "I'll be back. We'll protect you, always." The castle responds, a soft sigh of the wind, a gentle lullaby of the waves. It's a promise, a pact between a girl and her enchanted sandcastle. Mia waves a final goodbye, her heart filled with determination, her spirit ignited with a newfound purpose. The sandcastle, under the starlit sky, stands tall and proud, a silent sentinel waiting for its guardian's return. As Mia walks away, her silhouette against the setting sun, a message appears on the screen. Thank you for watching. Remember, every effort counts. A reminder not just for Mia, but for everyone watching, that every little effort to protect our beaches, our environment, truly matters. The scene fades, leaving behind the image of the sandcastle, a symbol of hope and resilience, standing firm against the incoming tide. Bye-bye, see you next time.